Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life, where we make learning English easy, fun, and useful for your daily journey. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, Anna. It is a fantastic day. The sun is shining, and I have my coffee ready. I am feeling energetic because today's topic is something that makes everyone feel a little nervous, but also very handsome and beautiful.
That's right, David. Today we are doing a deep dive into real English at the salon and barbershop. Whether you want a simple trim or a completely new look, we have the keys to help you unlock your voice.
But before we step into the salon, we have a small request for our amazing Fluento community.
Yes, if you find our lessons helpful, please take 1 second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
And please share this episode with a friend who is also learning English. Your support helps us build this English house together. Thank you so much.
David, why do people feel so stressed about going to a salon in a new language?
I think it's because we have a stuck mindset. We think, what if I use the wrong word and the barber cuts all my hair off? Or, I am bad at English. I can't explain what I want.
Those are stuck thoughts, David. They make you want to stop or hide. But at Fluento, we use the growing mindset.
Exactly. A growing mindset says, I am learning this. It feels hopeful.
And we have our magic word, yet. If you feel nervous, just say, I don't know the word for layers yet. That yet opens the door for your future success.
And remember, mistakes are your friends. They are just valuable information for your brain. If you say clippers instead of scissors, your brain learns and gets better next time.
You must be a good friend to yourself, just like we are to a baby learning to walk. If the baby falls, we say, good job, try again. We don't say they are stupid. English is the same.
So the first step is to be brave. Communication, not perfection, is our goal today. Sometimes learning all the words for a salon feels like looking at a tall mountain.
So don't look at the top of the mountain. Just look at your feet. This is our one brick strategy.
I love this story. A man wanted to build a long wall, and he felt sad because it was too much work. But his friend said, don't try to build a wall, just lay one brick perfectly today.
Right. You don't need to be a hair expert today. Learning 3 new chunks of words is your one brick. 1 brick today, 1 brick tomorrow, and soon you have a beautiful English house.
Let's start laying bricks. The first step is often calling the salon to make an appointment.
Many people are scared to talk on the phone, but remember, use small moments to practice your phrases before you call.
Let's look at some chunks for the phone. I'd like to book an appointment. Or, do you have any openings?
I'm the receptionist, and David is the customer. Hello, Sunshine Salon, how can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book an appointment for a haircut, please.
Certainly. Who would you like to see? We have Sarah and Tom available.
Tom is fine. Do you have any openings this Saturday?
We have an opening at 2 p.m. Is that okay?
That sounds perfect. How much does a men's cut cost?
It is $25. I will see you on Saturday at 2 p.m.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Now you are in the chair. The stylist asks, what are we doing today? This is the consultation.
This is where I usually freeze. My brain stops.
To stop freezing, use visuals. You can show a picture on your phone. This is a great tip for thinking in English.
Yes, a picture is universal. I can show a photo and say, I'd like something like this, please.
But you also need vocabulary. Here are your bricks for the look. A trim, just cutting a little bit off. Layers, hair cut at different lengths to give movement. Bangs or fringe, hair that covers your forehead. A fade, for barbershops, hair that goes from short to very short on the sides.
What if I want to keep it simple?
You can say, just a trim, please, about 1 inch off the top.
Oh, I like that. 1 inch is a specific amount. It helps the barber understand. Let's try a barbershop role play. Anna, you be the barber this time.
Hello, David. Please have a seat. What would you like today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new look. I'd like a fade on the sides and a trim on the top, please.
Sure. Do you want it very short on the sides? Maybe a number 2?
Actually, I think a number 3 is better. I don't want it too short yet.
No problem. How about the back? Should I leave it natural or square it off?
What do you recommend?
I think natural looks great on you.
Sounds good. Let's do that.
In a salon, you often have your hair washed. The stylist might ask, "Is the water too hot?"
And I can say, it's perfect, thank you. Or, actually, it's a bit cold.
And then comes the small talk. This is a friendly little chat to break the ice.
The easiest topic is the weather. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Or you can talk about your weekend plans.
Are you doing anything fun this weekend?
This makes the time go fast and helps you practice natural English.
Anna, I know the words, but I am still shy to speak them in the salon.
That is because you haven't trained your mouth muscles.
Mouth muscles? Like at the gym?
Exactly. We use the shadowing technique. You listen to an English speaker and repeat exactly what they say at the same time.
Like a parrot. It helps with the rhythm and music of English.
And speak out loud even if you are alone. Look in the mirror, "Hello mirror," and practice your salon request. "I'd like a trim, please."
This moves the English from your ears to your mouth. It builds confidence.
The haircut is finished. You look in the mirror. If you like it, give a compliment.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Then you go to the front to pay. Use your politeness chunks.
How much is it? And can I pay by card?
And in many countries, it is nice to leave a tip for good service. You can say, "Keep the change" if you pay with cash.
And finally, say goodbye. Have a wonderful day. Wow, we covered so many bricks today. Let's review our key chunks. I'd like to book an appointment. Making a plan. Do you have any openings? Asking for availability. Just a trim, please. Asking for a little bit off. What do you recommend? Asking for advice. Is the water too hot? Comfort in the salon. That looks great, thank you. Giving a compliment. Not yet. Our magic word for hope. One brick at a time. Our strategy for success.
Now we have a question for our amazing Fluento community. What is your one brick for today? Will you practice shadowing our role play or learn a new hair word?
Please leave a comment below. Writing one comment in English is a perfect brick for your English house.
Thank you so much for joining us for this masterclass. Remember, your voice is a bridge to new experiences.
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.